Nature therapy, healing through connection with the natural world. Introduction. In an increasingly fast-paced and technology-driven world, people often find themselves disconnected from nature. The demands of modern life can lead to stress, anxiety, and other mental health issues. Nature therapy, also known as ecotherapy or green therapy, offers a holistic approach to improving well-being by fostering a deeper connection with the natural world. This essay explores the concept of nature therapy, its benefits, and how it can be integrated into our lives for a healthier, more balanced existence. The essence of nature therapy. Nature therapy is rooted in the belief that nature has an inherent healing power. It recognizes that human beings have an innate connection with the natural world and that this connection is vital for our physical and mental well-being. This therapeutic approach encompasses various activities, such as hiking, gardening, forest bathing, and wildlife observation, which aim to enhance one's connection with nature. Benefits of nature therapy. 1. Stress reduction. Spending time in nature has been shown to reduce stress levels. Natural environments promote relaxation, lower blood pressure, and decrease the production of stress hormones, thereby helping individuals manage the challenges of daily life more effectively. 2. Improved mental health. Nature therapy can significantly benefit those struggling with mental health issues, such as anxiety, depression, and ADHD. The calming and mood-enhancing effects of nature can alleviate symptoms and improve overall psychological well-being. 3. Enhanced creativity. Nature stimulates creativity and problem-solving abilities. Immersing oneself in the natural world can spark new ideas and perspectives, making it a valuable tool for artists, writers, and innovators. 4. Physical health benefits. Engaging in outdoor activities encourages physical fitness, which contributes to better overall health. Nature therapy can promote weight management, cardiovascular health, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. 5. Connection and mindfulness. Nature therapy fosters a sense of connection with the environment and promotes mindfulness. People who engage with nature tend to be more aware of the present moment, which can help reduce negative thought patterns and increase self-awareness. Ways to incorporate nature therapy. 1. Forest bathing. The practice of forest bathing, or Shinrin-yoku, originates from Japan and involves immersing oneself in a forest environment. It emphasizes mindful, slow walks through the forest, taking in the sights, sounds, and scents. This practice has been proven to reduce stress and boost overall well-being. 2. Gardening. Gardening is an accessible form of nature therapy that allows individuals to connect with nature while nurturing and caring for living plants. Gardening promotes a sense of accomplishment, reduces stress, and provides an opportunity for physical activity. 3. Nature meditation. Nature meditation involves finding a quiet spot in a natural setting and meditating while absorbing the surrounding environment. It can help improve concentration, reduce anxiety, and enhance one's connection with nature. 4. Wildlife observation. observing wildlife in their natural habitat can be a rewarding nature therapy experience. Whether it's birdwatching, tracking animals, or simply watching the behavior of creatures in the wild, it encourages a deeper appreciation of the natural world. 5. Outdoor activities. Engaging in outdoor activities such as hiking, cycling, or kayaking can be a powerful form of nature therapy. These activities offer physical exercise, fresh air, and the chance to explore and appreciate the beauty of natural landscapes. Barriers to nature therapy. Despite its numerous benefits, nature therapy faces several challenges in today's world. Urbanization, limited access to green spaces, and a growing reliance on technology can hinder people's ability to engage with nature. Additionally, the perception that nature therapy is only for those with a particular interest in the outdoors can deter many from exploring its potential benefits. Incorporating nature therapy into modern life. To integrate nature therapy into modern life, we need to take a proactive approach. Here are some strategies. 1. Create green spaces. Urban planners and communities can prioritize the creation of green spaces and parks, ensuring that they are easily accessible to the public. 2. Nature-inspired design. Incorporating natural elements into urban environments and architectural designs can help bring the benefits of nature therapy to city dwellers. 3. Mindful use of technology. While technology has its place, it's essential to establish boundaries to allow time for nature therapy activities. Consider designated, unplugged hours or days. 4. Education and awareness. Promoting awareness of the benefits of nature therapy through schools, workplaces, and healthcare providers can encourage more people to give it a try. Conclusion. Nature therapy provides a holistic approach to improving overall well-being by harnessing the healing power of the natural world. By reducing stress, improving mental health, enhancing creativity, and promoting physical health, nature therapy offers a wealth of benefits. To fully reap these advantages, we must prioritize our connection with nature, whether it's through forest bathing, gardening, or other outdoor activities. By doing so, we can lead healthier, more balanced lives in a fast-paced, modern world that often pulls us away from the tranquility and healing powers of the natural world.